I was told the empire came with their negus of fame. Our land they claimed as they burned our homes aflame. They said, "This is your God," and replaced the Oda with the cross. "This is your king," and the Gada Kalacha was lost. "These are your words," and suddenly my ancestors spoke a tongue foreign to their own, an alphabet and culture whose taste was unknown. "This is who you are, Gala," a 5-letter word which made us less than human, second-class animals and evil until proven. That is the dark past of a country which espouses one love while dividing its citizens, promotes patriotism while ignoring the state it's in, whose leader plants trees while the seeds of the next generation are slaughtered and buried in the same ground they keep fertile for their schemes. Because any liberation is a deadly inspiration to an oppressive nation that has no hesitation to kill its population in its pursuit for domination. They say that history will repeat, but this is a story whose occurrence we must defeat, because how many more generations will death meet? Kalesa menele karkafi harma mure, hara morma kenya muran, boru mal murani. There will be no Bilasuma if we don't reach Sokuma. It is in our unity, in our shared dreams of freedom that we may see a better tomorrow. We must not let the story of Walaga become the tale of all Oromia. We cannot let the lives of my grandfather Tamuskin, my great-uncle Tessel, and every Oromo killed before them become the fate of those after them. So when they ask, "Oromo Jurtu," let your voice be heard. When they wonder where we are, let your presence be seen. And when they ask what you are, tell them that you are Oromo, that you are Borona and you are Barantu, that your blood is shared with kings and warriors, that your native tongue holds tales and stories passed down generations, that your Ufata Ada is worn as a symbol of pride and a preserver of history, and that your Oromummaa will never stop existing.